You are seeing the CHKDSK is not available for robbed drives, error in Windows recovery and need an immediate fix. This critical message means the standard CHKDSK utility cannot function on a RAW file system, but don't worry, a straightforward workaround exists to get your drive accessible again. First, we must boot into the Windows recovery environment to access the command prompt. Once there, we'll launch Diskpart to identify and select the specific RAW drive causing the problem. If that first step doesn't clear the error, the issue usually stems from the drive's format, which brings us to the next method of converting that RAW partition to a readable NTFS format using the same Diskpart tool. After the conversion, we can finally assign a new drive letter and attempt the HKDSK command again. If the drive is still inaccessible or data is lost, we'll explore partition, recovery options and data retrieval tools. We will confirm the correct disk and partition are selected within Diskpart, ensuring no other drives are affected before proceeding with the conversion and formatting steps. Finally, if all else fails, we'll discuss creating new recovery media and running CHKDSK on the main Windows drive.